Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, I'm back with another video. So today I opened a not squishy package, like a tripod package, and I was about to edit this, and I realized, where's the footage of me actually opening it? There was only the footage of me like trying it on my phone and showing you guys and reading it. So I guess I'm just gonna refilm it. So it's not my first reactions. I don't know where the footage went. Like, I know it was recording, I think. Yeah, it was recording, I know, but I have no idea where those videos went. I didn't delete anything after I made the video, so I have no idea where it went. I'm so confused, but so sorry, this is not my initial reactions, my first reactions. So first of all, it just came in a Amazon bubble mailer. Nothing too special, just had the Amazon logo on it. Nothing too special. And then I opened it and it came with this cute little bag, and this is the brand off of Amazon called The Voice, and it's really cute. It comes in a little drawstring package, so if you're wondering why I'm not excited, it's not my first reactions. I really wish I did have them, but sadly I don't. So I was super excited. I was ooh. So yeah, and I'm still really excited for it. So yeah, it comes in a nice drawstring bag that you can store it, and then it came in 2 pieces. It came with this, like the thing where you put your phone, and then it comes with the actual tripod. So this is the mini one, which I really like. So yeah, and then you just take it here, and you take this part. Well, since it's this is my first time doing it. Originally you don't do that. You have to screw this part on, but I already done that, and I just took it off, so it looks like how it came in. It makes probably no sense, but when you first get it, you have to screw it on, but since I already did that, there's another way you can take it off, which is by sliding it off, so I just did that. And then you just press it over, and then put it back on, and then you just put it on, screw it on, whatever. And then if it is a little loose, you can just turn it the right way. And then yeah, so I do have the footage of me putting it on trying this on and stuff, and you guys yeah, so these were filmed all over the place. My last clip was filmed before this clip, so it was confusing. But anyways, now let's just get to my initial reactions of me putting it on there. Pretty good reactions, but yeah. So go to the next reactions of when I put it on my phone. Okay, so I got it on, and this is what it looks like. It feels like it's so weird. I'm not holding the phone. I'm holding the tripod. Oh my god, so now I can vlog. It looks really cool. I like it. So, Darius! You guys, you are on the tripod. I really like it. So this is me when I'm holding it. I love it. It looks super cool. I love it. And then you can set it up. Oh my god, this is what it looks like on the tripod. You guys are on the tripod, and it's super cool. I love it. And this is me when I'm if I'm vlogging or something. This is what it looks like on the tripod. It's super cool. I love it. Oh my god. So this would be if I was vlogging, and then I can set it up because the legs are bent. I just need to tighten it a little bit because my phone's a little wiggly on it, but I need to just tighten it. So the legs do bend. So I could sit in it on the table. So it's sitting on the table right now. I am in love. This is literally only $10, and it comes with a cute case. Is there anything else? Nope. Wait, what is that? No, okay. But yeah, super cute. So I'm gonna keep this in there just in case. And then I do have to take my case off for it to fit on there, but it's totally fine because I don't really care. I just carry my case with me. My mini backpack. This was so awesome. Oh my god. Yes. So subscribe down below. I can't wait to use this. And since they're bendy, I can bend it on my arm or something. But I love it. So yee! And next thing I need to get is a ring light for my videos, but I can't find one that's really high quality, but for not too expensive. I was looking on Amazon. There's a really high quality one, but it's $355, and I ain't got that money for one ring light. So yeah, like this video, subscribe down below to become part of the #SquishyFam and join the family. So let's just get started. Oh wait, sorry, I'm so confused. But bye guys. I'm so excited. Go order this. I'll have it linked down below. Maybe Bye, guys. So guys, this is like me like editing this, but I forgot to say I forgot like how I recommend it. I totally recommend it. 10 out of 10. Well, 9 out of 10. The only bad thing is like right now I'm shaking it. Like my phone's a little loose in it, but I think that's just because like the width of it. I need to go back to school. Is it width or length? Width. Yeah, I think it's width of it. The wideness of my phone is like too like small, but it's still pretty good if I don't shake it. It's just a little wiggly. But yeah, this fits for I think it fits for Samsung S whatevers and the pluses, and then it is for iPhones. I don't really know which ones, it doesn't say, but it fits for my phone. It's not an S8 or whatever, but you can just like, my dad has the S8 and I just measured my phone to his. It only matters of like the wideness, and mine was the same wideness as him, so I just decided to get it and it fits. So I'm super excited. 10 out of 10. Well, 9 out of 10. I really recommend this. It's 10 out of 10 if you have the right phone. So basically 10 out of 10. Yeah, again, like this video, subscribe down below. Bye guys.